In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find CPR in Tradingview. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can start using CPR on your charts right away. CPR stands for Central Pivot Range, and it's a popular tool for mapping potential support and resistance levels. Traders use it to get a quick read on where price might react during the day, week, or month, using three key bands. The top central pivot TC, the central pivot often labeled pivot, and the bottom central pivot BC. First, open a price chart for any instrument on Tradingview. This can be a stock, a crypto pair, a forex pair, or even a futures contract. CPR works across markets. Make sure the chart is visible and you are on the time frame you plan to analyze. The indicator will adapt to whatever chart you are viewing. Next, look to the top of the chart and click the indicator's icon, the one often marked with FX. This is the hub where you add built. In Tools and Community Scripts, a search bar will appear. In that bar, type CPR. You'll see several results, including some of the more popular community indicators. Two widely used options are CPR with Pivot Levels CPR by KGS and Master Pivots, CPR. These plot daily, weekly, or monthly pivot lines and clearly mark TC, pivot, and BC, so you can identify zones where price may find support or resistance. Click on the indicator you want and it will instantly load onto your chart. You should see a central band with a line above it and a line below it. The central band represents the core pivot area. The upper and lower lines frame likely reaction zones. Many traders watch how price behaves around these levels to gauge potential continuation or reversal. After adding it, open the indicator settings to fine-tune the display. Here, you can adjust colors, line thickness, and visibility so the pivots stand out against your chart background. You can also choose the time frame basis daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on whether you are day trading or taking a longer view. As a simple guideline, daily pivots suit intraday analysis, while weekly and monthly pivots help with swing or positional context. As you explore, notice how price interacts with the CPR. The central pivot often acts as a magnet or decision area, while the TC and BC can act like potential resistance and support. Keep your chart clean, choose high contrast colors, and make sure the labels are readable so you can interpret levels quickly. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.